Hey beautiful creatives, I'm Alison Durazo, your host, and I call you my beautiful creatives because we're going to design, create, and express ourselves on this channel. I lived in California for 12 years and Vermont for 3 years, sharing my unique experiences of both states. And today I just got my shipment of my Urban Outfitters bedding. It's been a long time coming since I had a new bedding set, so this is something I really needed, as I'm going to show you. This particular blanket's supposed to be orange, but as you can see, it's got bleach on it, so it's turning yellow right here, making kind of a unpleasant look to the blanket. It's still a functional blanket, but it's just a little upsetting to look at. This is my bed sheets that I got from Nordstrom Rack that was light pink, but they were also damaged by bleach after there was some explosion with a pen, a big black spot right here, and then the whole bed looks like a dingy yellow. So it's definitely an unsettling thing since I had initially purchased this bedsheet to be a light pink soft color, and adding the bleach to it had ruined my bedding set from the Nordstrom Rack. So I am dissatisfied with what had happened to my bed sheets. So moving forward, I'm going to unbox my Urban Outfitters Going forward, I'm going to unbox my Urban Outfitters bedsheet sham set. Alright, starting from smallest box to biggest box, let's do this. I already know what little goodies are in the small box, and I know what everything is because I bought it myself, but you guys don't. So it's a little bit of a surprise to you guys. So first up, this is my pillowcase cover. Yay! Look at that. It's just a little odd that everything got shipped separate since it was a set, but I guess sometimes that's what happens. And I like this kind of little bow that they have. It's kind of like a twill bow. Here is the textured pillowcase that I had purchased. So soft right here. And let's take off this pillow. It was bleached and now it looks yellow. So I don't want a yellow pillowcase. I would like a pillow to make me feel like a princess going to sleep in softness, femininity. I love it. Because you want your bed to be soft, or at least for me. I know some people prefer a firmer surface, but for me, I do like my soft beds and pillows. And it always sucks when there's a pillow that's like overstuffed. I can't handle that one. Or even a pillow that's understuffed is pretty bothersome, because I have a few of those that are about to get ready to go. After looking at my pillows without the pillowcases, I have thought, darn, I should have bought pillows. But here we go. This is super cute. And I will have to remember not to add bleach to any of these because it is also do not bleach. This one was do not bleach, and so is this one, because the pink will get ruined if you end up bleaching them. Taking off this gray pillowcase. As you can see, it looks like baby vomit here. It was bleached also. I'm really loving this season of Infinity Nikki. It's all coquettes and bows, and it fits my vibe so perfectly. I'm a little on edge because on Infinity Nikki, I'm 8 out of 10 from the outfit. for the pink one. For the chocolate outfit, I have completed it twice. So I have the upgrade of the second upgrade of the chocolate outfit. But I'm really looking forward to the bow outfit. I just got the bow to the outfit, and now I just need 2 more small accessories to make the outfit complete on Infinity Nikki. Alright, next box is the medium-sized box. It's I believe it's a small pillow. Unless they put it in this, because they could be a little off like that. There we are, my glasses. These are the Holly Metal Shield glasses. I needed some sunglasses for this summer. I believe the last sunglasses I had, I left them at my buddy's house. So, here they are. It's kind of got like a rose tint inside. It's kind of interesting. Not sure if I could drive with these personally because of the rose tint. I didn't know they were tinted, honestly. But it's 100% UV protection according to these sunglasses. And I love the edges right here. Let me move closer so you can see the edges. This edge is like a curl right here. It makes me feel so fancy. Moving forward, we have this pillow. I was looking forward to this pillow so bad. And I feel like everybody in my house is gonna really love this pillow because it is so cute. There's a little donut here, and I even have a chocolate donut blanket that would go perfectly with this. It is embroidered, so I feel like I would hope nobody would pull these off. It's more of a decorative pillow that I've been wanting. And it kind of makes me want to get into crafting a pillow because that's so cute. I never thought of having like a buttoned pillow with strawberries and donuts. And this one looks like a little avocado. I'll bring it closer. But that's the pillow, and it's from Urban Outfitters Home. And it goes so cute, just right in the middle. Alright, last and final box, something I've been looking forward to, the bed sheets. Comforter, because I could have sworn it was a set. Unless it's just the comforter and the pillowcases, because I thought it was a whole set. It's 100% cotton. Look at that. I have such a bad experience with polyester. It causes my eczema to even break out more. I get eczema on my elbows, my forefingers, like my knuckles, and then my knees. Where else? Oh, my head. Sometimes get like more of a psoriasis, like super itchy, bothersome, especially when I have high anxiety. So I noticed polyester really breaks me out. So this is something I've wanted for a while, and I'm glad I finally got it. But I really thought there was a bed sheet with this. But I could have sworn it said bed sheet, sham, and comforter set. I will have to read it again because I feel like such a girl in this blanket, but I will be pretty bummed that I don't have a bed sheet because this bed sheet's pretty thick. Just me, or are the two colors off? Because like I feel like this color is off from this color. Shouldn't this be the same as this one? I don't know. I'm a little bit confused because I thought there would be a bed sheet that would come with this, and it's just a little unsettling, but I do have my sham and blanket set, so let's try it out real quick. Let's just feel how it feels, because the other one was a poly cotton blend. So let's see. I'm gonna take a quick nap here, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty soft. I'm adding this part a little bit later because I remembered a little bit of a backstory about bedding. But when I was little, I've always wanted a pink room and a pink bedding set, like a princess set, like Cinderella. But instead, I got Mulan, and maybe that I still really liked Mulan. However, I always wanted a pink bedroom. And I remember my mom saying that we already have a pink room in the house. Your sister had her room painted pink. We're not painting another room pink. And that always upset me. So now I finally have my pink bedding, and one day I'll have my own house with my own pink walls. But for now, I have a pink bedding set with some pink curtains. So I've always wanted a pink bed, and now I have it.